Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's review is gonna be on Thailand versus China. Hudson. Now you might be wondering why I said Thailand twice. That's because back in 2005 and 2006, Mattel from the Desert Series line was releasing cars from Thailand, and then they made the switch to China back in 2007 and onwards until 2018. Thailand came back in, and of course there has been a reissue of Thailand Doc, so I'll be doing 2 Thailand reviews and a China review. So yep, and I'd like to say a massive thanks to Piston Cup Productions for starting off this series originally. And yeah, without further ado, let's start off the video on Thailand Doc Hudson. So here we've got the car inside, and let's make sure this isn't the errored one where Piston Cup Productions open up an error on Doc. Of course, there's his card art here at the back, and he's in the Radiator Springs series. Of course, there's his name tag. The ridge on the name tag indicates that it's Thailand, made by Mattel. And of course, here's the back. Of course, there's the description you can pause and read. The kind folks in Radiator Springs become Lightning McQueen's best friends for life. So yeah, of course you want to read that. And here are some other cards. We've got Greta, Sheriff, Doc, and Fillmore. But we'll be taking a closer look at Doc here today. So yeah, let's open him up. So here is Doc out of the package. As you can see, this is, whoa, you can see the shine on Doc. And this is amazing because I don't actually have a really good condition to Thailand Doc, because all the Thailand Docs would have been in pretty bad condition as they were like 14, 15 years old now. So yep, here is Doc. We're going to do a quick review on Doc and then do the comparison between all the Docs that I have. So here's the front. You've got the grille at the front, the nice and the silver bumper. Very nice. We've got Hornet logos there and there with the headlights. We got the Thailand eyes. Of course, he's a Hornet. We got the Hornet symbol there and a stripe going across. Here is the back. Of course, his decals aren't filled in unless I am a moron. Just quickly get my other Thailand one. You can see it's a completely different colour. It is not filled in. No, there isn't supposed to be decals there. We've got the rear lights here. We've got another back bumper here. Here is the other side. Very nice. Here is the top. And like I've already showed, there is the base with the code that reads Thailand, made in week 13 of 2020. So yep, that is cool. Now, let's hope this doesn't shine. You might not be able to tell because of how old the base is. But yeah, look, Thailand. So these 2 models here are Thailand. You can see the colour difference, even mine's a bit damaged. I've recently got rid of so many cars, and this is the best condition one I had. Yep, Thailand. The rims are pretty much the same. The back is a different colour. Yep. There's Doc. I would say he's a bit taller from my angle, but on the camera it may not show. And here is the China one, as you probably be able to tell, as the shine reflects off it really badly. You can see China. So here's the China one. Let's move the other Thailand one out of the way. Thailand at China. You see the window is a better colour this time. There's the back. The fronts. So yeah, let me know in the comments below which is your favourite Doc. My one probably has to go with the Thailand as it's a new colour. And yep, and I'm just going to take a moment of silence here for about 5 seconds to remember Paul Newman, who voiced Doc, and then we'll get on to some other models. Anyways, that is the 5 seconds of silence for Paul Newman. And yeah, we've got some other models here. So we're just going to move these out. And here's the lenticular version number 1. There is 2 lenticular versions. We got this version and the eyes to the left, as you can see. And there. And just for laughs and giggles, this is a triple Thailand review now. Because the Mini from Cars 3 or whatever is made in Thailand, as you can see there. So yeah, if you are new, please make sure to leave a like, dislike if you dislike, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell notification button down below. That is very hard to say, try and say it yourself. To the next one, bye guys.